Chris here from 4M Analytics, where your utility research and project planning begins. We provide instant access to reliable utility data, all in one place, powered by AI. Today, I'll show you how to create a new project in 4M. It's quick and easy whether you're doing early scoping and planning, feasibility studies, project pursuits, preliminary designs, or other super important infrastructure-related activities. Don't worry, we got you. So let's get started. To create a project, you first need to locate your project area. There are two ways in which you can do this. In the left side panel, you can import a KMZ, KML, or GeoJSON file. To prevent any upload issues, please ensure your file is a single continuous polygon. Alternately, you can enter the address, place, or coordinates directly in the search bar. Next, zoom in on your project area. Then use the polygon or linear drawing tools to begin tracing your project. If you're using the linear tool, ensure you select the correct width from the center line. To complete your project outline, right-click on your mouse or click over the last point in your drawing. In the bottom left corner, click Next to begin saving your work. Be sure to name your project in the top left-hand corner. As a best practice, we recommend creating a naming structure to keep all your projects organized and easily identifiable. For example, you can use your internal project name or ID. Click on See Utility Map to continue to the final step. You should now see a Get Data button at the top of the left panel. Click this button and select the data you want to order for your project. And that's how simple it is. Fast, easy, and reliable utility mapping and analytics in just a few minutes.